Yo, what's up? What's going on? Back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing brake lines on the bike. I got some red ones for the front, and I think it's got the rear as well. I'm about to go pick up the fluid. I was gonna film the ride over to go get the fluid, but I don't think I am. So just gonna get there, get back, and then I'll start on the brake lines. All right, so back with the brake lines and the brake fluid. So I gotta just unbolt this, pull these off, and then basically run the new lines through. Okay, so we got that. Boom. And then crush washer. Those are good. That's gonna run like that. Go down. Remove the metal brake line bracket from. Alright, I gotta remove that bolt right there. Yo, this bolt is so long. What the heck? Got it. Okay, we gotta leave those a little loose and just. Get that washer in there. So, got the fronts done. Got good brake pressure. So now it's time to do the rears. I thought it was recording. It was not. So, we got the front on. Washer. Off. Lift this up. Pull it down. So we got the front and rear brake line on. Here's the rear. Yes, sir. Got some good pressure. There's the front. All the way up to the master. So now that that's done, I'm gonna wash the bike off, and then I'm gonna go test the brakes and everything. But just a quick little brake line install. But without further ado, that's it.